Hey guys! Today in this video, I'll show you how you can unfollow everyone on Facebook at once. So keep watching till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version. After that, sign in to your account and you'll be taken to the home screen. Now, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner and you will see many options. Scroll down a bit and tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings from the menu. Once you're here, scroll down to the Preferences section and tap on Content Preferences. Inside this, tap on the Unfollow option and you'll see all the accounts you are following. Now, tap on the Unfollow button on the right side to quickly unfollow accounts. And in this way, you can unfollow all of them easily. So that's how you can unfollow everyone on Facebook at once. That's all for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!